Aaron George is showing that he's got that temperament. He's taken a body blow. You know, he knew what the fast bowler would do the next ball. Spaced his innings. Kundu is now providing ample support, and this is turning out to be a good pan already for the 5th wicket.
Against the UAE. So we know he can hit the ball hard and long. But for stability...
Atre looked good today before he fell to that rack. But they're still batting to follow. Single will mean Kundu will retain strike. 26. That's a full toss. Smacked away. That's going to be 4. Aaron George continuing the good work. And that's why I say this is a platform where these young stars are going to turn into superstars of tomorrow. Keep an eye on them. Coming back to the point I was making, you know, when you look at the under 19 Asia Cup level, Sanju, Kuldeep, you look at 2016 and you look at beautifully struck. He doesn't hold back, does Kanish Chauhan. Got a quick fire 28 odd in that game against the UAE, and smacks one away to the fence for 4. Welcomes us in the com box. Welcomes Asad Ali Yunus as well.
That's fantastic. I mean, if you can play shots like this and you're batting at number 8, that puts so much, they would understand. That's bowled. It's in the air. Fielder, no chance. It's over the head of him. A boundary, second of the over.
They'll go on and play for the senior team, and talked about it early. Asia Cup winning squads went on to play the... that should be another single. Yes, Chauhan's going to...
We just saw those express leg spinner now for the 43rd over. In the middle, ability to do it. He's lifted that one and all the way. That's brilliant. Patel thinks if you can do it, Chauhan.
So much strength, so much power. Kanish Chauhan is taking the bull by its horns. This is brilliant batting. Let me tell you, it is really brilliant batting. Look at what he's done. 45 of 43, which speaks of the depth that India possess in the under-19 team. Just look at that shot. At number... Oh, what a shot. What about that? But I think it's going to be taken. Yes, taken. For a moment, I thought he timed it. But this is the very thing you wouldn't expect from your tail-end batters when you got 3 overs left. 17 balls unused can be